So let's say that you have read this article on the Sustainable Development Goals that you found on Newsella, and you need to cite it using Easy Bib. You are going to first, since you have your article open, you're going to open Newsella. You're going to click Create Citations. You can scroll through and look for more. So say that you are citing something for a different class, a history class, and you're citing a court case, or you are in global studies and you are using culturegrams or the World Fact Book or something like that. You could use database. Say that you are, let's see here, you're in English and you're citing an interview that you listened to. You would pick any of those to do it. For this one, for the two examples I'm going to show you right now, we're going to use website. So what you're going to do, you're going to go up here, you're going to hit share, get the copy link, because Newsella is weird sometimes. You're going to paste it right there, and you're going to hit search. I'll wait for it to load. Hey, yeah, that's the name of my article. Let's cite it. So this is what Easy Bib found. This is what we're going to have to find to fill in with. So we're going to hit continue. It's loading. Okay, this looks like the article title. Yep, it matches. Cool. Next, our contributors, the author. So we are going to go to Newsella, and then in almost every article, chapter, news story, whatever that you read, there's generally going to be a title or a headline or something at the top, some sort of visual or short blurb to kind of cue our brains and get our brains going. And somewhere near the top, in news articles or chapters from books or something like that, you're going to find somewhere something that says by this person. This happens to be by Liz Ford, who writes for The Guardian. The Guardian is a newspaper. Sometimes, and in some of the articles that you've been using, it just says, where it would say Liz Ford, The Guardian, it's just going to say National Geographic Society or ushistory.org. That's okay. Sometimes we are able to see individual authors of things, and sometimes when it's from a larger organization like National Geographic, we're only going to see the larger organization. So in this case, we are maybe going, yes, here we are, to copy and paste Liz Ford's name. So we're going to say Liz, and then we're going to say Ford. If you don't have a specific author, just leave it blank. The website title is Newsella. That is where we got this. The publisher or sponsor is right here, The Guardian. So it's like where it came from. So we're going to copy this and put it right here for sponsor. Other sponsors, especially in articles that you've been using recently, are National Geographic, the United Nations, the UNDP, the World Health Organization, things like that. Other sponsors could include like NPR, the New York Times. Let's think of another one here. I need a book. National Geographic again. Okay, there we go. So publisher or sponsor. Sometimes you'll just have the publisher and sponsor and not the author. We have the URL. The last thing we need is the date. It's also going to be somewhere at the top. 8/7/2019, August 7th, 2019. Day. It was the 7th of August. Month. I'm going to go to August, and then it was in 2019. That's all we got. So we're going to hit complete citation. It's going to think about it. There we go. This is what a citation is right here. This thing in green. Right here. Just pointed at my screen. So you're going to hover over this with your mouse. You can copy citation or copy in-text citation. For a works cited page or to show someone your citations, you'd need the citation. In text means it's like in your paper. So you're going to hit copy citation. Ignore this, because right now we're not checking it. Maybe you might use that at some point. That's not what we're doing right now. And then go to whatever document you're going to put this in. And then you're going to do, oops, boom, citation. We might, well, we're not going to move that up there, I guess. Maybe we'll put it down here. There we go. This right here that I'm highlighting in blue, this is what a citation looks like. That is how you create it. That is how you create it on Easy Bib. Easy Bib's great. Does all the hard work for you. This is what a final citation looks like.